Alright, good morning, dzień dobry everybody. Today we are in my mama house. Maybe you first time see this background when I was in September last year. Now it's August, and I just realized it's nearly 1 year since I had something in my mind to going back to Poland or something. And this is like all the memory on the very old furniture, actually look like an antique because they are antiques actually somehow, and they are all the postcards what I sent to my dad always whenever I travel, and I've been on 4 different continents since the past years, so I collected. Not everywhere I was able to buy postcards because some places they already don't sell the postcards, unfortunately, or they are difficult to get them, but mostly, and some of them the post office also missed them, lost them, but that's happened. But all of them, they are here. Even recent from the where is it? From this one, from the Czech Republic, and this is actually Bali volcano. Actually, this is Indonesia, but there is Canada, Bali, everything, Malaysia, Singapore, Munchen, Polish cities, Thailand, Vietnam, everywhere, Singapore. You can find out, and we're gonna go outside. I will show Winnie how's the gardens look like actually, because my mama house is on the countryside, so it's a lot of interesting green stuff to show you. And let's see what else we're gonna do today, because after afternoon we're going back to Poznań.
Right, so now we are in Papa and Mama gardens. There are so many fruits during summertime. It's just like my dream fruits. Wherever I was, when I used to live in Bali and then was in supermarket, see this kind of fruit is for me, it's just like magic because of crazy expensive price. But here I can pick it up and enjoy it as much as I want, and it's free. Come on. See, even Papa here. Papa will show me which one is the ripe one.
Yeah.
Oh, Papa, tak? Oh, that's not
the
one.
broke.
That's the broke.
Weź, jak się nie to urwite. To
Ah,
dwie
tak?
duże dla siebie.
You
Duże.
can pick up this.
Tamte nie, do góry podnieś.
Te?
No tą do góry podnieś, to się łamie samo.
Oh, Papa.
I daj tą tutaj, to twarde
This
są już.
You try.
Oh,
Sayan.
Papa, can I try?
No, you
Oh,
try this one.
This one?
You put up.
Oh, Papa. Yes, yes. Can I eat?
Można spróbować do zjedzenia którąś?
Teraz?
Teraz tak.
Zaraz przyjdę.
Yeah.
Tak.
Zaraz przyjdę, te są twarde.
This one's a little bit more harder, but my papa already picked it up before softer one. But you can also see how they are growing. This is like a kind of pear.
Nice.
We don't want to pick them all, but they are growing like this one, you know. And some of them they fall down, but many of them when they fall down, they already eaten by the worms.
Oh, okay. So let's go.
But they are
And-
growing like this one, like this one, like this one, everywhere as you say. And what is behind you, Sayang?
This one, I remember that, you know, once in the market, supermarket in Bali, this one is the most expensive one. Slivka, tak?
Tak,
Plum.
śliwka, plum.
Plum. And I don't know how to choose it. For me, that I just want to pick up all. This
There's
one?
the butterfly also behind you.
Which one, Kohani? How to see?
You have to choose which one is soft.
Oh, soft one. This one not soft.
So you look when it's soft.
Oh, this one.
Okay, just pick it up. Okay. You have to clean it little bit.
Yeah. This one.
Look, Papa already cutting even from the skin for you.
Nice. Oh, let's see. This one.
Tak.
Look the way how Papa cut. It's totally different. Papa cut like
And look,
this.
I don't know if you see my Papa have a bintang set.
Nie, takie czasem to nagrywać.
Oczywiście, że
Oh, nice.
my Papa
Oh,
cutting.
dziękuję, Papa. I will try it.
Dobra.
Dobra gruszka?
Crunchy, fresh, and sweet.
No.
So nice.
Isn't too hard?
No. And this one, it is very, very expensive in Bali. Back in Bali.
Yeah,
Barzo
Drogi.
drogi.
Because imported.
Tak, and this slivka.
You try both. Oh, still little bit green, but already sweet. At home we have a more ripe one.
Tak.
All right. And that's basically how does it look like. Many trees. Or was the cherries also, but the cherries are already out of season. And there is so many plums, pears growing everywhere. That's how does it look like. This tree actually behind also, oh yeah, this one, there is also the peanuts growing, cactuses as decorations, flowers. Simple life, babe.
Tak, come.
What you
See?
found over there? That's another śliwka actually, the plant. And it's windy today actually though.
So many down there. This one is actually Zulta
Śliwka.
Slivka, tak?
They are
Look.
small,
Small. Ooh.
but they are yellow.
Tak.
Okay.
Let's see find the one that is already ripe. This one.
Usually fall from the tree
Tak,
actually.
tak. I just wanna try
You
how
can
it
try.
tastes.
Sam.
So clean it first. This one fresh from the garden. Organic.
Organic. Let's open the Poland retreat here. Like a
Organic,
Ubud
you know?
retreat. We can have plenty of space for yoga outside.
Tak. Bali massage. Probably
Bali
after
massage.
that, tak?
Yoga, holistic healing,
Tak,
whatever you do in Bali. How is it? I think it's still green little bit, no?
Sweet
Sweet already?
and fresh.
Okay.
Because this one is fell off.
Oh, okay, nice.
Nice.
Nice, and I will show you also on the other side. Actually, as we are here, there are red gruszka here, also growing everywhere. So many red, like this one. They still not ready to pick it up. Maybe next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. Maybe when we come back in September, will be like this one. And this tree was the cherry, but the cherry season is finished. So yeah. And we actually didn't have opportunity to come here when we were during the
No,
cherry
we
season.
have the cherries one. I made a video. But
Yeah.
let's go to the different one.
All right.
Another permaculture farms. So hard to say. But I think the most important thing, everything here is organic. Fresh from the nature. Let's
That's
go.
the most important thing. Zach, where are we going?
Huh?
Where are we going?
Tam. Kochani, this one is the rose, but actually already finished. But look at this kind of chrysan flowers. So many beautiful. And look at this one, the apple. Nice.
The apple?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Can I pick and eat?
They are not fresh yet, not ripe yet, but they are nice.
Look.
Next month
see.
when we came,
I
because
see.
they are still small,
I
actually,
see. Wow.
but they're growing nicely, isn't it?
Tak. This one is the raspberries.
Tak.
See, and because the season already finished.
They are still fruits, but actually, like they are.
Tam. Pocekai. Pocekai. Ooh. You see? This
Yeah,
one.
still. So
Another one.
you just picking up and eating everything what you find here.
You see? This one, another one. Kau hanya you eat.
No, I don't want it.
Okay.
It's, because I'm filming.
Okay. You see? All these fruits, I read that these raspberries is very high in vitamin C.
And
So
behind
nice.
you, there are nice apple also, and the gruszka.
Look at this
Where's
one.
the pear? And that's
Look
the
at this
apple.
one.
Yeah, this one are nice, big. They are a little bit bigger, and actually nice. They're growing 3 per one.
This one, you also see.
Yeah, nice apples actually,
Nice.
isn't it? But also for the next month.
Exactly. Hani, remember that we went to, what is it called? The name of the city? Samotuli. And
Tak.
then we just go there for looking for this
Sunflower.
one. Sunflower. Look at this. Even there is a bees inside.
Don't touch.
Oh my God. This is like, can you zoom it?
You just take off your.
Ooh.
You get scared now.
Look at this. Wow. So it's just
A
like
little bit
grove.
more behind you actually.
Tak. Look at this. And so many chrysan flowers. And this one. I bought this one in Lidl, but here is grow very organic, right, Kohanye?
Correct.
And it's so big. And this one koperek. I really like
Smell
put
of
it.
the corn.
Tak, this one. I put it in the mashed potato or boiled potato. So good. So good smell. Look at this one, sunflowers.
And the pumpkin behind you, they're growing the pumpkin. And I would like to notice, I don't know what sort of flower is this, but actually I would like to notice, as this is all outside of my mama house, and I would like to only notice how spacious is it everywhere. There's the wood, and the very, very far in the background is the forest. If you're watching our videos, you should be already familiar with it, right? If you somehow new, it's just the new.
So living in the countryside is actually peaceful, right?
Right.
Kochani?
Oh, the cabbage is there growing actually. You wanna have a look for cabbage? That's for your gołąbki.
Ah, nice.
And the field with the corn in the background.
Nice.
Right, the cabbage is not ready yet. The formation is small still, but the cabbage is actually, they are pretty nice already. Some of them, especially this one.
Nice.
So what, Sam?
Look, another leaf cut tree. You see how it grows here? Just like, you know when it is ripe. Oh, nice. Oh, this one, some also already fell off. I clean it, tuck like this. Oops.
Oh,
This one, and open. Oh, oh, this one, how it looks inside. Very fresh.
oh, this one is very ripe. The skin went off.
So sweet and fresh.
Nice. Enjoying, sayang?
Tak.
That's the most important thing.
Can I pick this flower some and bring it to Poznan?
Tak. That's saying that's my papa and mama flower. You can do whatever you want. It's not the Poznań city park lah. You can take whatever you want. Everything here is just the private. So what is growing behind you, sayang?
I think this one is a beans. I don't know, potatoes. Tak, bin Kochani, tak. Come, I'll show you.
We
This
need
one.
the expert now. Tak,
This
the
one.
beans. Like this one.
This one.
Nice, isn't it?
Another cabbage.
Okay, you wanna see the cornfield?
Tak, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Let's have a look.
Oh.
Beautiful weather, isn't it?
This one all Papa cut by himself,
Like
Kochani?
all Papa cut by himself
Oh
the
my
wood.
God.
Last year I was helping Papa to collecting this, remember? I sent you video how I drive.
Tak, look. This is from the woods behind.
Tak.
Are you legally can cut the wood?
Tak, my Papa buy this.
Oh.
It's not like, you know,
Nice. This one for preparing for winter, tak?
tak.
Wow.
A lot of woods everywhere.
Wow.
My Papa bring by himself, cut by himself, preparing the wood by himself.
Wow.
I just helped him when I was in September, you know, little bit.
Nice.
Nice, isn't it?
Tak.
Yeah, that's how does it look like. That's the thing.
It's very nice. Small things make me happy, actually.
That's the most important thing.
Nice.
The grass here is high actually,
Tak.
but it's natural. And look at the cornfield, actually it's taller than you, Sayang. If you're gonna go there, you're gonna get lost.
Oh. Can we pick up the corns?
Yeah, if you're gonna go, but there is like a fence, you know, because it belongs to somebody else. And
I
this is
see.
the corn for the farm use, you know.
Ah.
Yeah.
It's not for jagung bakar.
It's not for jagung bakar. But I don't know if the corn in Bali is actually not used the same time. But look actually how you can
The
hear
sound
some
of the
birds.
birds.
But the corn is taller than you.
True. Oh, look at the house.
Yeah.
Nice.
From the distance looks nice, isn't it?
Right.
Right. Enjoying, Sayang, the country vibe?
Tak. Because I'm also originally from the countryside in Bali, so not from the big cities. So it's like home.
Can you hear the sound of bird?
That's the bochan.
Yeah.
Tak.
Big bird.
Tak.
A lot of space everywhere actually. So also the animals there, look. They're flying there. Don't know if you can see. Winnie looks and she's really enjoying the countryside actually. That's good. That's good. And what are you doing?
Pick up some flowers.
That's the
I
wild growing flower, babe.
Tak, and look at the butterflies.
Yeah,
I also
everywhere.
will pick up some of that sunflowers there. Nice.
So nice, isn't it?
Tak. Beautiful.
Actually, a lot of birds cruising around.
Oh. I think that's the bochan flying around, huh?
Yeah,
Nice.
but what they are looking for?
They are mating. They're gonna make a baby.
Do you think so?
Tak. That's the sound when they will mate.
Ayan,
Tak.
picking more flower.
Tak.
Nice.
Nice. Beautiful. Look at this, our lunch, kotlets kabove, chicken, what is it?
Kluski.
Potato, kluski, sałatka. Smacznego. So now we are on the way back to Poznań actually, and Damian taking a road for 225
Oh,
kilometers.
it's already actually after.
Oh, already?
After 70 normally it's 275 instead of 295, but it's not about 20 kilometers, about the alternative road. What I used to learn driving actually on this road when I was going to driving school.
So today is actually the childhood memorial trip for Damian.
Kind of.
Oh, look at this one.
Yeah, many old buildings. That's the Roguzno Zamek city. It's just a little bit like countryside in general. But I tell you, so peaceful, so enjoyable. You know, some people may like it, some people may don't like it. But definitely it's quiet on the road. And the road
So
is
enjoyable to drive, right?
simply enjoyable, isn't it? That's the thing. That's the whole point.
So we keep driving actually.
Yeah, we are arriving to Grudziądz city. Grudziądz.
Grudziądz, and look at, you know, the traffic situation. I always said that because simply no traffic jam, and how it looks, the city is so peaceful, right?
Well, this is like a outskirts still of the city.
There's so many companies here, no?
Yeah.
So many nice houses here, no?
Yeah.
Nice modern houses.
There will be also nice new McDonald's.
Oh wow.
They just built last year when I was in October here.
Nice, and that's the garden thing. Nice, look at the blue sky.
The sun is facing actually. Nice.
That's a McDonald's in the front.
Yeah, I told you they built this last year when I was coming here. So when I was passing this road more often, I see the construction of it. So there are now two McDonald's in Grudziądz. Wow, crazy.
Look at this one.
It's actually busy. Oh, the horse van transporting horses.
Oh,
Nice. And that's the new McDonald's. With the look, they have a slide in McDonald's for
Nice.
kids. Fancy. It is busy on Sunday in McDonald's. So you wanna go to Makasaya?
no, let's go.
Okay. Gonna stop in
Oh, there
Open
is a
Petrol.
hotel, no?
Biedronka.
No, this one
Yeah,
is a...
some hotels. There's Wisła River going through Grudziądz actually, you know?
And look, many industry here, no?
Yeah, Grudziądz is actually not that poor city actually. There's some things going on here. Grudziądz is the same state. Grudziądz, Bydgoszcz, Toruń, Wrocław.
Honey, look at on the left, so many industry company here, no?
Yeah, actually a lot of new industry. I'm saying new because it wasn't like that long time ago when I was living in Poland. Most of them, they have an Ibis even in here. So must be Novotel as well.
Oh, look at this company, no?
Yeah, a lot of warehouses, a lot of industries, yeah. some really decent companies here nowadays.
Look. Over there, so many. So now we're passing the Wiswa River. Oh, it's so big river. But maybe because of summer, it's like
Shallow water.
shallow water.
We are crossing so fast, huh?
Kohani, you over speeding, no?
Yeah, 140 is the speed limit here. So going properly.
Oh my god.
But look at how the road is cool on the bridge, huh? So legend.
Oh my god.
You can cruise it. We just need to listen country music
Oh my god.
like American.
But look at this.
Actually nice, isn't it?
Only like there is no traffic jam surrounding. It's just like how many lines? 1 to 3. 3 lines. 2 lines.
This is emergency lines.
Oh.
Just in
okay.
case if something happens, you can pull over.
Okay. Nice. What a blue sky. Kohani, would you like to drive a motorbike again? Like this in the front?
Yeah. I used to drive in Asia.
Yeah, done.
I'm not that bike lover.
Oh my god.
If you ask me, would you like to drive Ferrari? I will say yes. My God.
And then over speeding.
Okay. Different story, different thing. But
Nice.
but either fast like this guy or either slow like this lovely couple. I'm done with bikes.
Oh my god. And industrial, I think here on the left, yeah?
Yeah, it's Schweiz.
Right, so we stopped actually in our favorite petrol station, Orland.
No paid endorsement, no.
And they have a very nice coffee shop and then restaurant inside, so we decided to have a coffee. It's beautiful trip to go to Mama and Papa house in Ibaba. It is very enjoyable trip, driving through the jungle with no traffic jam. It's very enjoyable. I really love it. So yeah, I think that's all my video today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
This is the gas station. We always stop here when we are coming back from Mama, right? Always here. It's actually nice. As you can see, that's the highway. And also there's nice view of the windmill everywhere around. Oh, like this one. Usually sunset when we are going back. So it's always nice. Okay, let's go. Still 1 hour to go home, right? Okay, let's get inside, Sayan. All right.